Good morning, everyone. So, exam finally বহুত ওচৰ চাপিল আৰু আপোনালোকে কোনে কোনে এডমিট কাৰ্ড পালে জনাব কমেণ্ট বক্সত। চ' জেনেৰেল এৱেৰনেছৰ ওপৰত কেইটামান কুৱেশ্যন লৈ আহিছোঁ উইথ আনচাৰ। চ' ব'লক আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। চ' ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যন হ'ল হুইচ এমং দ্য, আৰু এটা কথা থাকি গ'ল ক'বলৈ, যোনে যোনে চেনেলটো আজি প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে আহিছে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব, যাতে এনেকুৱা ভিডিঅ' আপোনালোকে আৰু মানে বেল আইকনটো দবাই দিব, যাতে আপোনালোকে যেতিয়া মই ভিডিঅ' আপলোড দিওঁ আপোনালোকে প্ৰথম পাওক মানে সেই ভিডিঅ'টো। চ' যোনে যোনে প্ৰথমবাৰ আহিছে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব আৰু শ্বেয়াৰো কৰি দিব নিজৰ লগৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱী আছে যদি। চ' ব'লক আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। হুইচ এমং দ্য ফলোয়িং এক্টিভিটিজ কেন নট বি কনচিডাৰ্ড এ কমন এক্টিভিটি ফৰ এ জেনেৰেল বেংক কাষ্টমাৰ। চ' অপশ্যনকেইটা হ'ল ইউজ অফ টেলিবেংকিং, ইউজ অফ ATMs, start of EFT facilities, use of bank or check, increase or decrease in PLR, announcement of credit policy. Answer of increase or decrease in PLR and announcement of credit policy. So next question, which among the following is the author of the book The Future of Freedom published recently? So option kita dia আছে পিটাৰ হুডসন, ৰিচাৰ্ড অলফি, তামাৰা জিফৰ, next Farid Zakaria. None of this. Farid Zakaria is the correct answer. Next question. Indian Constitution has given some liberties to its citizens. Which of the following is not true about it? Citizen is free to the liberty of his option 1, his expression and speech to gather peacefully without arms, to purchase land and property in any part of the country, to do business in any trade in the list prepared by Indian government, to form association or unions. Answer is to do business in any trade in the list prepared by Indian government. Next question. According to India Vision 2020, India is trying to give full employment till 2020. Then how many employment should be created every year? Answer is let me option it all: 1 million, 2 million, 5 million and 10 million. None of this. Answer about 10 millions. So আপোনালোকক এই কুৱেশ্যনখিনি কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে? এটা ৰেট এটা দিব, মানে 1 to 10 ভিতৰত 6, 3 হোৱাট এভাৰ ৰেট ইউ গিভ। আৰু এনেকুৱা যদি মানে লাইক আৰু মোক কেইটামান ইয়াত মই অকল 20টা কুৱেশ্যনহে ডিছকাছ কৰিম, বাকী আৰু যদি লাগে মোক জনাব, মই আৰু সেই 20 এনেকৈ দি গৈ থাকিম মানে। চ' ব'লক নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন। হাই ৰেট অফ ইণ্টাৰেষ্ট ইন এ ল' ইনফ্লেশ্যন regime. Option all: attract people to make more and more investment, discourage people to make an investment, create atmospheres for capital formation. A are not favorable for credit expansion. None of this. The answer of discourage people to make an investment. For the distinguished work in which field Kalidas Sir Runam is presented: game and sports, science and technology, music, social service, pollution. None of these are answer. Cash reserve ratios CRR has been raised recently by Reserve Bank of India. RBI, what is the role of CRR in the country economies, especially in banking sector? Option hall: it helped to control the inflation. It play a role in banking sector. It plays a great role for paying in the interest rate. Only A, B, C এনেকৈ দিয়া আছে। চ' আনচাৰ হ'ব অল A, B, C তিনিটা ৰোল মানে একচুৱেলি লাগু হয়। Next question. A resident Indian wishes to invest some money in a foreign company who does not have any office representative in India. What are the options available to him, her? Pick up the best option বুলি কৈছে। So option কেইটা হ'ল: open a foreign currency account in a bank in that country, send the money to someone to him, her in that country, open account in a foreign bank in India whose branch is in that country? Only A, 2, only B. So answer hobo only A and B. Only A and B hobo apunar open a foreign currency account in a bank in that country, send the money to someone known to him her in that country. Next question, what are the options available to a foreign bank willing to enter the Indian market? So answer hobo only A and B. Open a branch in India, launch a wholly owned subsidiary. Next question, as per the report published in the newspaper, the e-commerce is growing very fast. Which of the following is most preferred? So here answer hobo books. Which of the following sector is not considered infrastructure sector? Software, cement, petroleum, steel, power generation. Hobo answer hobo software. 1 number answer. Which among the following term is not related to bank? Okay, CRR, currency exchange, 0 hour bank rate. 0 hour is the correct answer. Formation of several advisory committee to the parliament was in the news recently. Who among the following forms the advisory committees? Options kira hol speaker of the Lok Sabha, Vice President of India, Minister of Parliament, Affair, President of India. None of these. Answer hobo Speaker and Lok Sabha. Which among the following is an international river? Brahmaputra, Kaveri, Krishna, Narmada, Mahanadi. Brahmaputra is the international river. So next question. The Mohammadi movement, a movement to promote the habit of cultivation, is initiated by the women folk of Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, West Bengal. The correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Which of the following is considered one of the major reasons of global warming or heating of Earth's surface, which is at increased disease? Here correct answer hobo 3. Sun has become slightly cooler by several degrees centigrade and is not available to reabsorb the heat radiation back as it used to do earlier. That's the correct answer. That's 70. As per the report published in the newspaper, the average price to earn P/E ratio has fallen down in past few days. This implies that answerable investors are willing to pay much less for equity now. Which of the following organization bank has credited at 50,000 crores Rural Development Fund known as Lok Nayak Jai Prakash Narayan Fund? Answerable 4. SIDBI SIDBI. SIDBI full form kone kone janai kok full form to janab নাবৰ্ড আমি এইটো পাই আছোঁ UTA ফুল ফৰ্মটো জনাব এই দুটা কুৱেশ্যনৰ ফুল ফৰ্ম জনাব মোক দেই এট হুইচ প্লেচ representatives of around 50 countries met in November 2007 to revive the Israel Palestinian peace process and deal with other sources of tension in West Asia? Answerable Annapolis. Next last question and the very important question. Which among all the questions are important? Which among the following was made the chairman of the newly committed 13 Finance Commission recently? Kanyalesh Sanna, M. Sundaram, Bijoy L. Kelkar, Arun Bhatnagar. Answer number 3. Arun Bhatnagar. Bijoy L. Kelkar is the correct answer. So all the 20 questions I have discussed with you all. So hope so you like the questions, and for more this type of question you need, then just comment it down. Hope so. আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকে ভালে ভালে পঢ়িছে সব 20টা কুৱেশ্যন আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিলোঁ আজি যিহেতু চ' নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন আৰু যদি আপোনালোকৰ আৰু কুৱেশ্যন লাগে মোক জনাব কমেণ্ট বক্সত। থেংক ইউ ফৰ ৱাচিং দিছ ভিডিঅ' লাইক ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব নিশ্চয়।